how to remove extra spacing in PPT. So if you want to remove the extra spacing in PPT, then first you need to open up your presentation. After opening your presentation, now for example, if you have an extra spacing, then the first way or the first method is you need to select the whole paragraph or the line. And after that, you need to go with the alignment. So here you need to change the alignment. You can change it from left to right or middle, and your problem might be fixed. But if the alignment doesn't fix your problem, then the next method is you need to go with the arrow under the font. So go with the arrow, go with character spacing, and here make sure that it is turned on, make sure that it is 12, and here you need to go with 1, and under spacing you need to select normal and then go with OK, and that's it. It will remove the extra spacing from your PPT. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.